Hi guys, so today I'm gonna show you guys that what I bought on Philippines. I'm gonna pack it guys first. You know what color is it? What's needle? I'm just joking. You can guys see. It's maybe a needle squishy, maybe or maybe not. Okay, let's see. First, I hate one. Joking. That I hate, but it's fun to play. First, this is squishy. This is squishy. Next is this. My love, but I hate the color. Yellow. I don't like yellow, but it's good. I got the dumpling. Ito, I'm just joking. I hate it. I love it. So, this is I'm gonna save the last, my favorite. So, this one, please. It's another dumpling, but look at it. Tara, it's a jumbo. Look at the different size of the can. Mama, baby. Mama, baby. So, please get the glitter one. Just show me, it's not glitter. It's green. It's green. I love it. Nah. Okay, sorry guys. So, I'm gonna show you guys my favorite one is it's yellow. You can see it, guys. It's yellow, and then I'm gonna show you guys in 3, 2, 1. I got a butter squishy.